Hallo zusammen, ich heiße Farooq. So we will solve today Schreiben for Goethe A2. We have done listen part earlier. You can check that. So Schreiben has two tiles. First is you need to write an SMS, and second tile is to write an email. In SMS, we don't need to follow any you can say any structure. But when you write email, you need to follow the structure. Email can be formal or informal, depending on the situation. So let's solve these two parts one by one. First, we have tile 1, that is, Sie sind unterwegs in Deutschland und schreiben eine SMS an Ihre Freundin Ekterini. You are outside in the city and you need to write an SMS to your friend Ekterini. Entschuldigen Sie sich, dass Sie zu spät kommen. You need to apologize that you will come late. Schreiben Sie warum. Mention the reason why you are late and nennen Sie einen neuen Ort und eine neue Uhrzeit for das Treffen. Mention new place and also new time for the meeting. Schreiben Sie 20 bis 30 Worte. You need to write 20 to 30 words. Schreiben Sie zu allen drei Punkten. Means write on all 3 points. You cannot miss, any point. So if you write just one sentence for each point, it will be enough. You would have 30 words. And if you want to write more, you can also write that. But make sure that your grammar and your vocabulary is right. So let's check solution for this task. Here we have solution for Schreiben Tile 1. Hey Ekterini, sorry, dass ich so spät bin, that I'm too late. Die U-Bahn hatte eine Verspätung. The subway has had delay. Treffen wir uns 16 Uhr im Café Neumarkt. Are we going to meet at 4 o'clock in this cafeteria? So you can check here these nouns in red color. We want to make sure they are capital. Whenever you write noun in German, it must be capital. So this is our tile 1. As you can see, it's very simple. You just need to write almost 2 lines or 3 lines. So next we have tile 2. That is about email writing. You will decide here either email should be formal or informal. So, Ihr Chef, Herr Lehmann hat bald Geburtstag. Your boss, Mr. Lehmann, has birthday soon. So that is formal email. Whenever you find a noun that is written with custom here, or it is a feminine noun that is written with custom Frau, Frau Anna, Frau Schmidt. So you can assume that that is formal email. So er hat eine Einladung zu seiner Feier geschickt. He has sent you an invitation for the party. Schreiben Sie Herrn Lehmann eine E-Mail. Write an email to Mr. Lehmann. Bedanken Sie sich und sagen Sie, dass Sie kommen. Say thank you and inform him that you will come. And second point is informieren Sie, dass Sie jemanden mitbringen. Inform him that you will bring someone along. And fragen Sie nach dem Weg. And also ask the way. Maybe you don't know the way, so you want to ask that also. Schreiben Sie 30 bis 40 Worte, 30 to 40 words you need to write. And schreiben Sie zu allen 3 Punkten. Write on all 3 points. So don't start directly on the answer sheet. Always write here. Maybe on this side, you have space. Try to write few points or maybe sentences, and then transfer this answer on your answer sheet. So it will be clean, and you won't have any, you can say, cuttings and you won't run away from space also, because there are few lines. If you cut and write again and again, you may lose space for answer sheet, and also your answer will look messy. So better option is write here options and then transfer on your answer sheet. So here we have solution for Schreiben Teil 2. As we know, this is a formal email. So I would start with this particular phrase, sehr geehrter Herr Lehmann, comma, as it is a masculine noun, so I would write here geehrter, R. If it is a feminine noun, you write sehr geehrte. So after comma, we write first word with small letter. Vielen, V is small. Vielen Dank für die freundliche Einladung zu Ihrer Geburtstagsfeier. Thank you very much for your friendly invitation for your birthday party. Ich komme sehr gern. I really like to come. Ich würde gern meinen Partner oder meine Partnerin mitbringen. I would like to bring along my partner. Ist das in Ordnung? Is that okay? Können Sie mir bitte noch kurz den Weg beschreiben? Could you also please describe, little bit about the way? Ich freue mich schon auf die Feier. I'm looking forward for the party. Mit freundlichen Grüßen, with best regards, Farooq Bashir. So means I would write here full name, Vorname and Nachname. In formal email, you have to write your complete name. So this is our Schreiben part for Goethe A2. Hope it helps. See you another time. Auf Wiedersehen. Tschüss.